Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to use the min and max function in Microsoft Excel. Let us get started with the mean value. We use the mean value to get the smallest number or the smallest value in a range of cells. Write mean formula here. It gives us 20. 20 is the smallest number among all these numbers. Let us move to max. Max gives us the largest value in a range of cells. Write max formula here. Fifty is the largest value among all these values. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.